America's manufacturers need skilled talent. There is an unstoppable momentum to bring manufacturing back to the United States, and we want Oklahoma to be uniquely positioned to help our country solve that problem.
In the next 10 years, 55% of the manufacturing labor force is going to be retiring. So there's an urgent and immediate need to start training the next generation.
We have to rethink the workforce issue, and the real issue isn't that we're missing welders and machinists. The real issue is that we're not taking the time to train them.
The Registered Apprenticeship Program is an earn-while-you-learn training model, which means that apprentices learn the relevant skills for a variety of occupations while they're on the job and earning wages, learning those skills. Tulsa Innovation Labs provides strategic guidance for merging apprenticeship programs into the advanced autonomous mobility and drone industry. When there's new technology, it requires new skills. And the way to train for those new skills is through on-the-job training programs.
Program participants are seeing wages that are 70% higher than the state median. And so what that means is stronger communities and brighter futures. Small businesses like Tulsa's Generation FSH are growing as a result of these skilled workers.
Generation FSH chose to participate in the Registered Apprenticeship Program because it lined up with what we already have a heart to do, which is give people opportunities. I'm going to train up the person that I need them to be. All I need is somebody that has the potential to be that. And why I choose to give people opportunities, because somebody gave me one.
Apprenticeship programs are how we build a local workforce for Oklahoma's future.
By doing that, it secures Oklahoma's future and America's future when it comes to manufacturing.